How to make this fluttering hair effect, or this hair waving effect, in DaVinci Resolve Fusion. Let's start by adding new Fusion composition onto the timeline. And open it in Fusion page. Now add the main image, connect its output to the Media Out node. Press Shift plus space key and search for Displace node. Add it to the pipeline like this. Now grab a FastNoise node from the toolbar, and connect this to the green input of the Displace node. Now change the value of details to 3.5. You can see the FastNoise in the left preview window. Now increase the contrast to 5. We can use seeth rate to control fluttering speed. Let's make it 0.25 for now. We can increase the scale value to increase the intensity of the effect. Just change its value to 6, it seems good. Now you can see the effect, but it is applied to the whole image. If we add a rectangular mask to the blue input of this Displace node, you can see the effect is only visible inside this mask. Let's delete this rectangle node, and add a B-spline node. Connect it to the blue triangle of this Displace node, and draw a mask. Make sure to start at the first frame. For example, if any keyframe is automatically added here, we have to remove it first because it will create problems later. So, bring the playhead on this unwanted keyframe and remove it, just by clicking on it, here in the inspector panel. Now we can start at the very first frame. Make a mask around the face, or the area where we don't want this fluttering effect. Make sure to close the mask like this. Now the effect is showing inside the mask. We need to invert this mask. So, click here to invert the mask. If you see any issues like this, it can be solved by selecting the Displace node and by changing the offset value. Another way to fix this is just by adjusting the mask. Select the B-spline node and adjust the mask like this. We can select multiple points and adjust it. See these sharp edges of the mask? We also need to fix these. Let's see this mask in the left preview window. You can see, the edges are very sharp. We can select the B-spline node, and adjust its soft edge as per requirement. You can see the difference when I change it. Let's make it 0.56. There is some issue here around the nose. Let's adjust the soft edge again. If it is not working, we can adjust the mask. Finally, you can see the effect. And this is the one that I made earlier. If you learn anything new, you can like this video. See you in another video. Thanks.